Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today is June 13th and we have another, I don't know, I can't capture the picture, but we have another iPhone 6 that is very cracked. It's a black screen. So I'm going to go ahead and place the screen, make it look nice and brand new. And this is the iPhone 6. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy. And we are done. So 9 minutes and 10 seconds. And we have a brand new iPhone 6 screen. Now the bubbles you're seeing here, this is just a plastic so that the screens don't get scratched. But I'm going to go ahead and put a tempered glass on there for him. And everything works great. So if you'd like to get an iPhone repair, unlock, to go to a different carrier, Final Cut Pro tutorials, Photoshop, even iMac and iPhone, Mac OS tutorials, we do it all. Make sure you check out our website. I'll leave a link in the description below as well. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube. And if you can, share the video on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and whatever else is out there. There's so many social media sites nowadays. But as always, thank you for watching. We truly appreciate it. Thank you to all our customers, and I will see you guys soon with another video. Thanks again.